Hi everyone, welcome to another session on story reading, and today I'm going to read out a short story about a monkey. Alright, this is the monkey I was talking about, and this is Murphy Monkey. And don't you think this is funny? What's the snake doing here? So let's find out. Murphy was a clever little monkey. One day, when he was happily swinging on the branch of a tree, a big tree snake crept up behind him and began to quickly coil itself around him. Murphy got the fright of his life. Oh dear, how will I escape? He wondered. Suddenly, he got an idea. Ha ha ha! He burst out laughing. "Why are you laughing?" asked the snake. "Because you are a shorty. You are not even as long as my tail," replied Murphy. "Nonsense!" shouted the snake. "I am much, much, much longer than your tail. See for yourself." And it uncoiled itself and stretched out. Clever Murphy was free. He ran down the tree and, quickly climbing into the top of another tree, laughed and called out, "You are certainly longer than my tail, but you are also a big fool." This story is written by Devika Reddy, and I only changed the title. That is the name of the monkey I changed into Murphy. And the story is taken from Magic Pot. I hope you like the story. So bye bye. See you soon.